Hey y'all, my name is Allison Hinson. I am a 5th grade ELA teacher at Byron Elementary School in Byron, Georgia, which is located in Peach County, right around Macon in Middle Georgia. So what I'm going to talk about is my personal and professional insights into creativity, a memorable creativity issue that I have observed as a student, and my most and least favorite aspects of engaging in diversity and equity issues. So, I graduated from UGA in 2017 with my undergraduate degree in early childhood education, and I am currently working on my master's degree in educational psychology in the Gifted and Creative Education program. So, with this degree, I will officially be a double dog and have 2 degrees from the University of Georgia. I am the only 5th grade ELA teacher at my school. My whole county is pretty small. There's only 6 schools total, 3 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school. So at my school, I am the only 5th grade ELA teacher, and I see every single one of the 5th grade students daily. That means that among my 110 students are an advanced content class as well as a special education collaborative class. So that gives me the opportunity to practice differentiating my content constantly, and I get to see a wide variety of creative abilities throughout the day. So, my memorable creativity issue happened when I was a student in 4th grade. My teacher gave us an assignment to write about what we would do if we were president. That was an election year, so it wasn't a super creative assignment to give. But instead of writing a list or a paragraph like everyone else, I wrote an acceptance speech as if I were the president, and I thanked my family and talked about what my plans were now that I was president. And this teacher had obviously not taken a class on creativity, and it wasn't the submission that she had in mind. So I was asked to rewrite the paper while the rest of the class went to recess. And that experience has really stuck in my mind, and I make it a point to always allow my students to interpret assignments in different ways and whatever ways make sense to them, as long as they're showing the mastery of the writing skills, as long as their grammar and things like that are correct. I tell them that the content usually is pretty up to them in their creative ideas. My most and least favorite aspects of engaging in diversity and equity issues. My most favorite, this is a topic that really needs to be engaged, and I like being informed about issues that so many educators and parents of students don't understand. And when these issues are understood, diversity and equity issues can be linked to a lot of the other issues that our education system faces. So I really just like knowing what's going on, understanding, and being informed. My least favorite aspect is because I understand the importance of these issues, I feel that I need to do something, to act, to make our schools and our gifted programs more equitable. But standing up for anything can be very scary, and I don't really know where to start. So hopefully, throughout this program, I will gain the courage to use my information to make a difference in the gifted community. Thank y'all. Bye.